We are continuing with the equations of a straight line. Here the question is A, B and C are the vertices of triangle ABC. So let's make a triangle ABC. So we have A, which is 1 and 4. Then we have B, which is 3 and 2. And then C, 7 and 5. Right? Find the coordinates of the centroid G. Alright. So what is the centroid? Now we know centroid is a point where the medians of a triangle pass through. It's the point of intersection of all the medians of a triangle. So if this is called centroid and it is denoted by G. And we know that the coordinates of centroid are found as x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. We have done this in previous questions. y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Right? Now this is my x1 y1, this is my x2 y2 and this is my x3 y3. So let's find the coordinates of the centroid. x1 is 1, x2 is 3 and this is 7 divided by 3 and y1 is 4 plus 2 plus 5 divided by 3. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 by 3. So 11 by 3 and 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 4 is again 11 by 3. So we got the coordinates of centroid as 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. Now the second question that he is asking us to find is the equation of a line through G. Right? Through G. The line should pass through G. We have the point here G and parallel to AB. Right? What does that mean? It means that if this is A, this is B and this is C, A is 1 and 4 and B is 3 and 2 and C is 7 and 5. If this is point G, we have to find the equation of a line which is passing through G but parallel to AB. Right? Now, how do we find the equation of this line? We need a point which we already have. We need a slope also. Now, we can calculate the slope of AB and that will be the slope of this required line. Why? Because when lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So, let's find the slope of AB. So slope of A whose coordinates are 1 and 4 and B whose coordinates are 3 and 2, this becomes my x1 y1, this becomes my x2 y2 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to 2 minus 4 upon 3 minus 1. So which is equal to minus 2 upon 2, which is minus 1. So I got the slope of AB as minus 1. You can say therefore slope of required line is also minus 1. Why? Because they are parallel. Now you have point also, that is G, 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. Right? So you can find the equation of a required line. Therefore equation of a required line is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus 11 by 3 is equal to minus 1 times x minus 11 by 3. So you can take 3 LCM, 3y minus 11 equal to minus 1, 3x minus 11 upon 3. 3 and 3 will go. So you are left with 3y minus 11 equal to minus 3x plus 11. Shift all of them to this side. So you'll get 3x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. So that gives you 3x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0. So this is the equation of your required line.